I think if Igor Sikorsky were around today, he'd be very, very happy. The reason for the helicopter, what it was for really democratizing urban transportation systems.
Thank you so much for coming here to Bristol to spend some time with us. The announcement we've made about the partnership is phenomenal to provide this turnkey solution covering maintenance, insurance, etc. Vertical, as you know, we engineer, design, assemble the aircraft, and we'll provide that into the partnership, and at which point Bristow will take over and provide the balance.
I mean, you talk about revolutionary technologies, and we think about our evolution as a company over 75 years of safety management, of processes and procedures, and really developing air carriers around the world, working with the different regulatory bodies and having those deep relationships, and now we can put it together. What we're telling you is this is how we can envision using it in a commercial manner.
It's this lowering the barriers to entry that you can do as our customers look to deploy it. You are already in country with the infrastructure, with the operating certificate, and working with a company who's got the passion for safety that Bristow has shown and your personal leadership behind fills me with confidence, because we've got to put them in the skies as safe as humanly possible, and that's how you build the demand. That's how you get the customer and the regulatory permission to use them.
Yes, it's really leveraging our core competencies. We've got the infrastructure put in place. And our thesis has been that utilize the existing infrastructure now to really enable the thesis is for further investment in infrastructure and whether it's air transportation or ground infrastructure.
Bristow have been instrumental in helping us as Vertical design what I think is the best aircraft in the sector.
With the performance of this vehicle as it stands, we can build a business around it, and just building on what we're doing now is brilliant.